Enjoy life. Now you are happy with the inexpressible joy that comes from heaven itself. 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 8. Christians are to enjoy life and enjoy one another. When children see no joy in their home, no joy in your Christianity, they will not be attracted by it. When they see you excited about going to a ball game, or watching television, and then dragging around to do spiritual things, they will soon get the idea that Christianity does not mean much to you. Your attitude will rub off. My wife says that the best way to get a child to eat his food is to see his parents enjoying theirs. Our children will not be attracted to Christ if we make him seem dull. Prayer for the day. May I live so close to you, Jesus, that those around me will see your joy.